In this video, we'll explore the top 5 yoga poses that not only enhance your flexibility but also promote deep relaxation. So, roll out your yoga mats, find a tranquil spot, and let's embark on this journey together. Before we jump into these poses, remember that yoga is a beautiful blend of physical and mental wellness. It's all about finding balance and inner peace. So, let's get started with our first pose. Pose 1. Downward Facing Dog. Begin on your hands and knees. Spread your fingers wide, press your palms into the mat, and lift your hips towards the ceiling. Create an inverted V shape with your body. This pose stretches your hamstrings, shoulders, and calves while calming your mind. Ah, doesn't that feel amazing? Now, let's move on to our second pose. Pose 2. Child's Pose. From Downward Facing Dog, gently lower your knees to the mat and sink your hips back towards your heels. Extend your arms forward and rest your forehead on the ground. Breathe deeply and let go of any tension. Child's pose is perfect for soothing your nervous system and promoting relaxation. Ready to keep the flow going? Let's transition to our third pose. Pose 3. Cobra Pose. Lie on your stomach, place your palms by your shoulders, and gently lift your chest off the mat while keeping your hips grounded. Feel a gentle stretch in your spine and open up your heart. Cobra Pose not only improves flexibility but also invigorates your energy. Feeling the release of those tight muscles? Great, because it's time for our next pose. Pose 4. Standing Forward Fold. Stand tall with your feet hip-width apart, then hinge at your hips and fold forward, letting your head hang. You can bend your knees slightly if needed. This pose elongates your hamstrings and spine, promoting a sense of calm and ease. We're already at our final pose, but the journey doesn't end here. Pose 5. Savasana, Corpse Pose. Lie flat on your back, close your eyes, and relax your entire body. Allow your breath to flow naturally as you surrender to the present moment. Savasana is the ultimate relaxation pose, fostering both physical and mental renewal. And there you have it, our top 5 yoga poses for flexibility and relaxation. Remember, the key to a successful yoga practice is consistency and self-care. Incorporate these poses into your routine, and you'll find yourself not only more flexible but also more at peace. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more yoga and wellness content. Until next time, thank you.